Ethan, let me ask you something. Why are so many people in the US living in debt, even though it's such a rich country?
Honestly, Sophia, because debt here isn't just normal, it's a lifestyle.
Wait, how is debt a lifestyle?
People aren't taught how money works, but everyone knows how to use a credit card.
So you're saying people earn more but still stay broke?
Exactly. The average American has multiple credit cards, car loans, mortgages, student loans. Everything runs on payments.
So basically they're spending their future income today.
That's the game. Use future money now and pay more later with interest.
That sounds dangerous.
It is. You buy something for $100, miss a payment, and now it's $150.
So even small things become expensive?
Exactly. And people keep paying the minimum, so the debt never ends.
So it's like an invisible trap.
100%. A loop. Earn, spend, debt, repeat.
What about student loans? I've heard they're huge.
They are. People take massive loans just for a degree.
And after they get a job?
A big part of their salary goes into repayments. They start life already in debt.
That's insane. I think social media plays a role too.
Absolutely. There's a pressure. Look rich even if you're not.
Yeah, people buy things just to show off.
Exactly. On credit. No real money, just an image.
So what's the real problem? Money or system?
Mindset.
Explain.
People don't understand assets versus liabilities. They buy things that drain money instead of generating it.
And that's why they stay stuck.
Exactly.
So the debt problem isn't just financial.
No, it's a mix of system and mindset.
And if someone understands this,
They can escape it.
that's powerful.
Yeah, real freedom starts when you're debt-free.